If luxury is a business, then Elon Musk is a giant in that business as well. Do you know about his extraordinary luxury lifestyle? No worries, we will explore it today. Furthermore, watch this video to the end to discover Elon Musk's staggering net worth. In this exclusive video, we're delving deep into the extraordinary world of Elon Musk, where luxury meets legend. From his jaw-dropping car collection to his magnificent real estate portfolio featuring opulent mansions in Los Angeles, you'll witness the epitome of high-end living. Furthermore, watch this video to the end to discover Elon Musk's staggering net worth and delve into the lucrative endorsement deals that have solidified his status as an icon both on and off the industry. So get ready for an inside look at Elon Musk's lifestyle in 2024. This is a journey you won't want to miss. Welcome to my channel. Before starting, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. So, let's start. Elon Musk's journey to become one of the world's wealthiest people is one of unwavering ambition, bold projects, and unshakable persistence. Musk, born in South Africa in 1971, has an unusual path to success. He did not come from a wealthy family. Rather, he earned his fortune through hard work and talent. Musk's net worth has risen from $19.9 billion in 2018 to an incredible $200 billion in 2023, owing primarily to his numerous business enterprises such as SpaceX, Tesla, The Boring Company, and Epitome, formerly known as Zip2. Musk's investments in other firms such as DeepMind, NeuroVI, and now Tesla Energy have expanded his financial empire. Not to mention his considerable participation with Twitter, ranging from shareholder to CEO, which adds another layer to his enormous wealth. Musk's real estate holdings reflect his remarkable career. He has multiple lavish residences in the wealthy Los Angeles neighborhood, totaling more than $70 million. His real estate career began in 2012 when he purchased a $7 million Bel Air house, transforming Gene Wilder's previous home into a private school. Musk's diverse real estate holdings demonstrate his taste for luxury and innovation. Musk elected to live a nomadic existence, cycling between the residences of friends and acquaintances in 2022 instead of having a permanent abode. This unusual choice demonstrates Musk's consistent commitment to his job, notably his concentration on SpaceX's ambitious ambitions. He explains it this way: "If I travel to the Bay Area, which is where most of Tesla engineering is, I rotate through friends' spare bedrooms." In 2020, he sold 7 residences for roughly $130 million, underlining his devotion to simplicity even more. Elon Musk's interest in autos is as strong as his interest in space and technology. His foray into the automotive industry began quietly with a 1978 BMW 321, a vintage beauty he purchased for $1,400 and lovingly restored with his hands. His collection developed over time to include some genuinely extraordinary automobiles. There's the legendary McLaren F1, a work of automotive engineering genius. The Porsche 911 Turbo is the pinnacle of German engineering and performance. An Audi Q7 demonstrates his taste for elegance and functionality. The pioneering Tesla Roadster sits at the forefront of his collection, a sign of his devotion to changing the electric car industry. Musk's bold vision for the future of electric pickups is further exemplified by the Tesla Cybertruck concept. Musk's car collection is more than just a collection of vehicles. It reflects his genuine admiration for both antique and cutting-edge automobiles, as well as his never-ending search for innovation in all of his endeavors. Elon Musk, a digital genius and entrepreneur, continually reinvests his vast fortune in his enterprises, which frequently provide extraordinary returns. His enterprises, such as SpaceX, Tesla, and Neuralink, are at the cutting edge of technological innovation, transforming sectors and pushing the limits of human achievement. Aside from his businesses, Musk covertly helps emerging tech startups with hidden contributions, promoting technical progress. In 2015, he made a $1 billion commitment to the OpenAI Artificial Intelligence Research Center to ensure the responsible development of AI for the sake of humanity. Musk's commitment to improving technology and tackling global concerns has significantly influenced various industries. Do you believe that only women are interested in fashion? Nope, fashion is not only for women, and Elon Musk is a good example of a man who is passionate about it. His exquisite sense of style defies traditional limits, making him a fashion legend to be reckoned with. Musk's wardrobe is filled with high-end designer apparel from well-known labels like Tom Ford and Gucci, demonstrating his admiration for quality and craftsmanship. Furthermore, his outstanding watch collection from Patek Philippe and Rolex reveals his taste for vintage refinement, demonstrating that fashion is a global interest that transcends gender. With his interesting engagement on Twitter, Elon Musk is the face of groundbreaking companies such as Tesla, SpaceX, Hyperloop, and Neuralink. Musk's net worth is presently $200 billion, having held the title of the world's richest person twice, first between 2020 and 2021, and then again in 2022. His unwavering determination to disrupt several industries, as well as his tremendous effect across multiple sectors, makes his narrative a source of encouragement for those who are willing to dream big. Also, do you ever wonder how much Bitcoin Tesla still holds? The holiday was valued at $184 million at the end of the third quarter and has remained unchanged for the fifth consecutive quarter. Tesla still has the third largest Bitcoin holdings for a publicly traded company, estimated at 9,720 Bitcoin. As we near the end of our journey into Elon Musk's 2024 lifestyle, we discover a billionaire who challenges convention, embraces the unorthodox, and prioritizes innovation in his life. His riches aren't only a way of amassing goods, it's also a method of funding his bold ambitions, which range from space exploration to electric automobiles. While Musk's net wealth hovers around $200 billion, he is uninterested in opulent residences. Musk's minimalistic real estate portfolio exemplifies his unusual way of living, as seen by his purchase of the old Gene Wilder Mansion in Brentwood, Los Angeles. Finally, Elon Musk's biography is an enthralling account of how he utilizes his fortune to pursue a wide range of interests, from wealthy homes and a fantastic vehicle collection to ambitious corporate projects and generous philanthropic contributions. This is it for today's video. What do you think of our video? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. Thanks for watching.